So Igor Bogdanov just shared an unboxing video of the DJI Pocket 4P Creator Combo, and honestly it clears up a lot of the doubts we had about this camera. And not just that, an entire review video from what appears to be a Chinese creator also surfaced, which makes this whole thing even more interesting, so stick around till the end. Based on the leaked videos and footage we've seen so far, DJI seems to be introducing a true dual camera setup with multiple focal length style views. In the video, we can see focal lengths like 14mm, 23mm, 28mm, and 70mm being referenced, which gives us a much clearer idea of how DJI could be positioning this camera. The 14mm view would obviously be the ultra-wide perspective, likely achieved through the included magnetic wide-angle lens attachment or some kind of ultra-wide crop mode. Then there's the 23mm and 28mm range, which would probably act as the standard main camera perspectives. These are still wide-angle focal lengths, but they look way more natural compared to the exaggerated action camera look we usually get. A 35mm focal length is generally considered one of the most versatile cinematic focal lengths because it still captures enough background while reducing that stretched ultra-wide look. Then 50mm gets even closer to a natural human eye perspective and is usually preferred for interviews, product shots, and cleaner cinematic framing. And then we get to 70mm, which is probably where the dedicated 3x telephoto camera comes into play. Around 70mm is where you start getting proper portrait style compression. Subjects separate more naturally from the background, the footage starts looking noticeably more cinematic, and distant backgrounds visually pull closer to the subject. Now the really surprising part is the mention of 140mm and even 230mm. A true 140mm or 230mm optical lens inside a tiny pocket-sized device would honestly be extremely difficult to pull off physically because stabilization becomes much harder at those longer focal lengths. So this is most likely sensor cropping, hybrid zoom, and digital processing working together to create those longer focal length style views. Now let's get to the unboxing itself. We first get a look at the Pocket 4P along with the carrying case, and then the video starts showing the rest of the Creator Combo accessories, including the wide-angle lens wireless DJI mic transmitter, magnetic clip, threaded handle grip, mini tripod, fill light attachment, and the upgraded carrying pouch. There are also probably windscreens, wrist straps, and cables included as well, even though they weren't clearly shown in the video. Interestingly, we still did not see the Osmo frame tap included in the box. Or maybe they intentionally kept it hidden for now. We'll probably know for sure once we get a proper look at the retail packaging. If you remember, one of the earlier promo videos showed the frame tap controlling the Pocket 4P, which made many of us believe it could be bundled with the Creator Combo. And since the Osmo Mobile 8P was already announced globally, there's still a small chance DJI could surprise us with it. And finally, before we end this video, there's the whole D-Log2 10-bit discussion. The Log2 naming is something usually associated with other camera brands, like GP Log2 from GoPro or C Log2 from Canon. Inside DJI's ecosystem, flat color profiles are generally called D-Log or D-Log-M. So either this is a completely new profile DJI is introducing, or the leak simply got the naming wrong and there's actually no such thing as D-Log2. Either way, this is probably the clearest look we've had at the Pocket 4P so far, and honestly, it's starting to paint a much bigger picture of what DJI could be planning with this camera system. From the possible dual camera setup to all these different focal length style views, this thing could end up being way more versatile than we originally expected. I'll keep you updated as more leaks and details start showing up, so if you don't want to miss any of it, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.